Hey guys, Francis here. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to earn $10 over and over again, and this is an easy make money online method that everybody can jump on and get started with. Alright, now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get started with this particular method, the website you need to get this method off the ground, and also where you can get free traffic to get this method going for you or to get the ball rolling. All right, and the coolest part is that it is a worldwide method that everybody can literally do. All right, it doesn't matter your location, you can jump on this and get started with this right away. Now if this is your first time on stopping by on my channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos, I do make money online methods and strategies, and I document my experience on this channel. So if you like videos like this, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I come up with new videos. That way you don't miss out on anything. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video and I'll be sharing with you guys the cool stuff. Let's do this, guys. So first off, the website you want to come to is Skillshare. All right, Skillshare is a website that's been around for a long time and is a place where people come to, to learn different skills. All right, you can see Skillshare right here. Let's go to this browse section. You can see people can come and learn different things on Skillshare, like animation, creative writing, film, photography, UX, UI design, graphic design, and all that. There are a bunch of classes right here on Skillshare. Okay, and how we're going to be making money with Skillshare is coming over to the bottom section, to the bottom section where we can find their affiliate. We want to become an affiliate with Skillshare. All right, in just a moment I'll be sharing with you guys how to sign up with Skillshare as an affiliate, all right, and how much they pay, and also where you can get traffic that people can be buying from you over and over again. That way you'll be making $10 over and over again. All right, so if you're getting value from this right now, give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it if I see that thumbs up. All right, it makes me understand that you guys want to be seeing more content just like this one. So let's get back to the video. So you want to come right to this section, this affiliate section. All right, let's just open this on a new tab. So you can see it right here where they say become a Skillshare affiliate. I have access our entire catalog and earn commission. All right, so there are a bunch of courses on Skillshare that you can sell. All right, earn $10 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. You keep earning $10 over and over and over every time you get people to come to Skillshare to buy anything, to buy any course. So you want to be referring people to Skillshare, so they can come here and learn basic skill. Different type of skills right here. They can come to the category section and pick the one you want to promote. So you can get people to sign up with Skillshare. And you can see you're earning $10 every time you refer a new customer to Skillshare. Now the cool part is you can come to this FAQ section where you can see how the Skillshare affiliate program works. Skillshare affiliates can earn $10 in commission for each new customer that signs up for a premium membership or trial, or free trial. All right, so either somebody comes here to sign up for premium membership or free trial. So free trial also counts as a referral. All right, so you want to have that in mind. So you can come to this FAQ section and see other things they are talking about right here. All right, if you already have an account with Skillshare, let's say you're learning something on Skillshare already, you can come to the refer a friend community. That's if you just want to be getting free classes and free membership. All right, Skillshare will also give you access to 1 month free when you refer other people to the platform as well. So you can see here, there's new members can get their first 2 months of Skillshare Premium for free. All right, so you can use that to get people right here as well. So what you want to do as an affiliate is to come right here, click the join for free. All right, let's just open this on a new tab also. So once you click join for free, we brought to this page. All right, this is the page where you can see the commission payout and all that. All right, when you refer one person every day, you get $7. You can be making up to $210 per month. When you're referring one person per day. All right, when you're doing 5 people per day, you can be making up to $1,050. On and on you go. And I'll be sharing with you guys in just a moment how you can promote Skillshare to be getting signups every single day. As long as you keep putting in the work, you can be getting signups every single day. That way you'll be making money over and over again. All right, so you come to this section right here where they say apply. You click apply to campaign. Then there's a there is a 5-step process, okay, that you have to go through to sign up as a Skillshare affiliate, okay. That way you have your own unique affiliate link that you can send people to Skillshare, okay, to a particular course or to a particular training. All right, let's say for example you're on Skillshare and you already have your affiliate link to a particular training. Let's say let's go to a particular category real quick. We can just pick one. Let me say graphic design. All right, let's just pick from graphic design because I initially checked graphic design out. Okay, so there are a bunch of graphic design courses here, so okay, that you can refer people to, people who want to become a graphic designer. It can be photography, okay, you can do different things. It can be photography, UX design, web development, and all that. Now that job servicing is working very, very well, a lot of people want to learn a lot of skills, okay, so they can use that to make money as well, because there are a bunch of opportunities out there right now for people to make money. So people want to learn different skills. So for graphic design, you can refer people to graphic design courses just like this one. And once you become a Skillshare affiliate, okay, you have access to an affiliate link for a particular training or a particular course right here. Okay, so you can pick graphic design as one of the course you want to promote. Pick a particular course. Let me say you pick this one. All right, and you grab your affiliate link for that, because once you become an affiliate, you have access to your affiliate link that you can refer people to this. So once you grab your affiliate link, you want to go over to Quora. Okay, Quora is a question and answer platform where you go to answer people's questions or ask your own questions. Okay, so when I type in graphic design on the search icon of Quora, okay, you can see a bunch of questions right here. What is graphic design? What is the best way to learn graphic design? All right, how do you become a graphic designer? What are the best softwares? How can I improve my graphic design skills as a beginner? Okay, so you can come right here and answer all these questions, okay, in a detailed way. All right, you want to answer these questions in a more specific way, okay, giving this person value, answering their question, and also adding your affiliate link, okay, to Skillshare, so people can easily sign up. All right, where you can tell them to click the link to get started with this course, okay, that will teach you step by step on how to become a graphic designer, okay, or how to improve your graphic design skills and all that. All right, you want to provide a detailed answer, all right, as well as other people will be coming to this page, to this particular question, okay, they'll be seeing your answers as well, okay, so they can also click on your link and sign up with Skillshare. That way you'll be getting free sign-ups, okay, after answering one detailed question or providing a lot of value to this person that asks this question right here. All right, other people will be here trying to answer this person as well, but if yours is better, all right, they can sense it through the way you structure your reply, and people can click on your link, okay. That's how you'll be getting people over and over. And if you keep doing this every single day, every single time, it builds up over time, because it's actually a numbers game. Once you keep answering more and more questions, okay, there will be a bunch of people clicking on your links. That way you'll be getting free sign-ups, okay. This is the place you want to go, okay, to get quality people, or people who are interested in it already, because they're the ones asking the question. All right, it's not as if you're just going online at random and getting people to click on your links and sign up. All right, these people are already asking how can they improve their graphic design skills, which you're already providing solutions to them. Another place you can get free and quality traffic is Facebook groups. Let me just open that. Facebook groups, okay, when it comes to Facebook, you just type in graphic design, come to Facebook group, also join a bunch of groups right here, and start networking with people right here. Okay, some people might be here, they're not too good with graphic design, but they are just passionate about it and they want to learn more. That is why they're here. So I'm sharing graphic design inspiration and graphic design ideas. So you can come right here also and recommend some graphic design courses, okay, that is on Skillshare to some of the members on this Facebook group, okay. So that way you'll be getting sign-ups every single time, okay, and be making $10. You'll be earning $10 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. All right. Now this is amazing because you are being paid for providing value to other people, okay, getting them a nice and cool training, okay, on Skillshare that they can learn from, okay, and answering their questions in details, okay. That way you'll be earning $10 over and over again. Now guys, if you're going to be implementing this method, let me know that in the comments. If you find any value in this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, I love to see your thumbs up. All right, it makes me feel good and makes me want to do more and more content just like this one. If this is your first time also and you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on my next video, because they'll be coming in hot. Until next time guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.